Did you know that we could graph this equation in 5 seconds? In 5 seconds. How? So I'll tell you how, and then I'm going to graph it, and you could time me. 5 seconds, okay? But I'm going to tell you how. All you need to do is just find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. I have a very easy way of how to find the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So I want you to watch how you find the y-intercept and the x-intercept, and then graph it really fast. So to find the x-intercept, I'm just going to explain that to you before I start graphing it. To find the y-intercept, you take this thing here, cover this. What value of y will give you 18? It's 2. So the y-intercept is 2. And then if you want to find the x-intercept, hide this. And then you could find the x-intercept by 3 times x is 18. So x must be 6. Okay, that's all that you need to do. And then you connect the points. Okay, so now you could time me. Okay, let's start. The y-intercept is 2. The x-intercept, it's 6 because 3 times 6 is 18. Now go ahead and graph it. Maybe just a little bit more than 5 seconds, but you could graph this really quick. This is called standard form, the equation for straight line in standard form. When you have it like this, all you need to do is just find the x-intercept and then the y-intercept, plot them, that straight line right through. That's done. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye. Hey, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. See you later.